Hi! In front of me is Thomson Tablet 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. Now select Apps and Notifications, tap on Default Apps, and click on one of those sections, in my case, Browser app. Now just tap on one of your downloaded ones that you wish to apply. I will go with Firefox. And when you are finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!